Let's say we get a problem and question is to plot a graph using Python. If that's the case, what I'm gonna do is always in and right now I'm working in the Jupyter notebook. Always whenever you have to do, you have to import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. That's the library you have to import. And also, let's say if you pass any vector as like thing, then you have to put this one mp. Let's say if I got some data frame, let's say big data set, always have to pass as pretty. This set of modeling, this set of things you have to always import. Then let me see if I run that. Sorry, already done. Let's say if I want to plot a line, is plot a line. That's my question. Let's say my x points are always my x points are, let's say I'm passing one numpy array. Let's say my points are 0 and 1. That's my point. Let's say my y points. Let's say my y points is also np dot array. Button. Let me give like 5, 10. 5, 10. Then if I want to plot this x and y, what we gonna do is plt dot plot. I gonna call that function, then gonna pass these things. What do you call x points, y points? That's all. Since this is plotted, now if I want to visualize this, how does it plot it? I have to write plt dot show command, then do like the plot. I got it. Now let's say instead of this, right now I got a line. Let's say instead of this, if I want to get instead of line, if I want to get, let's say, just a points. Let's say instead of this, I just want to have plot a point. Then what I gonna say is, in here, whenever I write plt dot plot x points, y points, I have to just write this. Then it will give me a point, 2 points. That's all. It is so simple. Then let's say if you got any questions, let's say like the different values, like I just want to copy this and paste it. Let's say my x values is 0 and 1. That's in numpy array. Let's say my y value is like not only 2. Let's say I got 5, 10, 6, 7, 8. Let's say I got 5. Here you see I got 5 values in y points and I got only 2 values in my x point. And I want to, if I want to draw a line, I will just do this. But if I don't want to draw a line, I will do this. Then if I just run it, what I get is, oh sorry, here since this dimensions are different, I will try to just pass y points. Since my dimensions are different, you see I got one graph. Here this is points represents your y values, and if somebody asks me the question what is the x values, then for each corresponding your x values, for each corresponding your y values, your x values, you see for the first y values, it's gonna say that your x values is 0. For the second y value, the second value is y value is 10. For that is it assumed that your x value is 1. Then for another, it assumed your x value is 2. Then for 3, then 4. That's how it keeps going on. Okay, now you see, now here's the case. Like here I pass this y points. Let's say their dimension, x and y dimension are same. Let's see, here we got the y points to be 5 values. Let me give the 5 values like 1, 8, 7. Let me now here, what can I see? Here are 5 values for x points. Also here are 5 values for y points. Now what we can do? Now again the same thing. Now if I want to plot it, what I gonna do? Now they got the same points. I can do x points comma y points. Let's see, if I want to draw a point along with a line, if I want to, like earlier, if I just do this, what I gonna get? I will just get these points. But I want to connect these points also. Then I will write here as market. No, sorry, marker. I will write here marker. Then not that now. Oh, what happened? Oh, here's 2 lines, 2 commas. Now that lines are joined by that. Now the line are joined. Okay, good. Now let's say for example, if I didn't like this color, if I want to change the color, then I will write here color is equal to R. It will give me a red color. If I want to change it into a writing B, it will give me a blue color. It will write me a G, it will give me a green color. That's how it's gonna change. It give me the green color. But whatever the marker I got here, marker is what? In circle. But if I want to change the marker, I want to highlight that marker, then I can give here 10. MS means the size of the marker. Then whenever I go to use it, the marker size increased. That's how it goes on. Now since there's a line, I got one green line is here joining the marker there. But if I want to change that line style, if I want to change that, for example, if I want to change that line style, then I can change it here. I have to say like line style. Then how we want to change it? Let's say I got this. Let's say I got this comma point. If I just pass this one, my line style now will be different. You see, my line style is now different. It was like earlier, it was a solid line. Now it's not solid.